85% 3D printed, and it is about to fly.
Right. Oh, I love this. The little top-ups of gas.
Next up, our range coordinator
mate.
will ask the range for their final status.
Right. Come on, please don't be bad winds. Come on. We don't want bad winds.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Yes! Get in there. That's what we want. Range is green.
That was confirmation. The range is green for launch.
Mate, this is going to be crazy if this does go off. Right, I'm going to end the poll in 3, 2, 1. Poll is closed.
Good for launch.
Under 1 minute.
Oh, mate, here we go. Come on. Please don't fail us. Oh, look at the ice coming off.
LD, are you go for launch?
Ooh.
LD, go for launch.
Yes!
There's that final go for launch. We are just
Here we go,
over
guys.
30 seconds away until the maiden launch of this vehicle.
Here we go.
Good luck, Terran 1, and have fun. Here we go.
Mate, if this launches, I'm going to go crazy. Come on. Oh no. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's going! It's going! Oh my god! Oh wow!
Terran 1 has cleared the tower.
Holy cow! That's mental! Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. It flies! Mate, that is so cool. Look at, you can see, I like the camera work on this. That's really good. You can see all the, you can actually see the engines. Oh, wow. Oh, now that's even cooler. Oh.
If you can
Mate.
hear me over the cheering, the vehicle is now headed downrange in an easterly
They
direction
finally did
over
it.
the Atlantic Ocean. Our next ascent milestone is max Q around 80 seconds.
Wow. I know, the happiest. I'm so happy.
Switch over at the ground station.
Right, come on. Come on. Right, obviously they got to throttle it back for max Q.
Max Q.
They've done it. Oh. Whoa.
We are on
Oh my god.
making a new history. Terran came ready to play today.
Holy
you just
cow.
heard that call out.
Oh,
indicating
look at
Terran
that.
Just made it through.
Look at that.
Max Q. We just completed a major
Mate, she
step
scared
in
the hell
proving
out of
to
me.
the world that 3D printed rockets are structurally viable.
Wow, look at the plume. That is crazy. Mate, yeah, she is crying. Like, oh my god.
Up next, we'll be looking for a call out that stage 1 performance is nominal.
Mate, if this works, first time, they've done it. Oh, is that? Was that stars? That is stars. You can see stars. Because once again, camera exposure. This is probably a regular camera with quite a decent nighttime shot. Because hence you can see all the... Oh, no, we're going to lose signal again. Yeah, I guess. Oh! Oh! Did the engine just go off? I think the engine just come off. Oh! That was stage separation.
As you can see, we were waiting for Miko and and upper stage ignition. This means that we had a main engine cutoff for stage 1, and directly following that we had second stage ignition, which you can see the Aeon vacuum engine in that beautiful view in the night sky. Reminder, there is no fairing for this maiden launch as we don't have a customer payload,
Why is
but we do instead have a memento of the first ever circular test print.
Is it actually going, or is it... No, look at the velocity. Look at the velocity, it's going back down. I think this engine's failed to light. I think it lit for a little bit. Or is that for the...
We are currently standing by for an update on what's happening with the stage 2
Yeah.
engine.
Yeah, I think the stage 2 engine's failed to light. I think it lit for a moment and it's gone back out. Because you got the engine chill vent going. So I think it's failed to thing. Yeah, I know, that absolutely sucks. But they've done it. They've got past max Q, which is what they wanted. So they've actually got to where they want to get to. So just getting off the pad, getting through max Q, proves the actual rocket, and it's just the second stage that needs to be worked on. But yeah, oh my god, I got goosebumps. Like, jeez.